Hi, hello everyone. This is Teacher Joy, and today we will be learning a new lesson. Are you excited? I can't hear you. Wow, I guess everyone is excited. So today we will learn about subtraction. But before that, let's sing a song. Do you want a song? Okay, let's start. Subtraction is my real name, but you can call me minus. I look like dash, just like this, because I take numbers away. If you have 5 apples and I take away 2, you're left with 3 sweet apples. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now you know the things that I do. Do you like the song? Let's sing it again. Subtraction is my real name, but you can call me minus. I look like dash, just like this, because I take numbers away. Because I take numbers away. Wow, you are all amazing. Thank you so much for your participation. But you know what? Just like the song that we have sung today, we will learn about subtraction. Are you ready? Yes, I know everyone's ready. So, what is subtraction? First, subtraction is the process or skill of taking number away from another. So it means that subtraction is taking away. So take note of the word taking away. That is subtraction. Second, when we say subtraction, it is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. So, meaning, subtraction is removing. So, you need to remember the word removing. Okay, let's review. When we talk about subtraction, it means taking away or removing. Can you say it with me? Subtraction is taking away or removing. So, it's very simple, right? Let's take a look at this example. We have 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. As you can see, we have the bigger number or the first number in a subtraction. And in this example, that is the number 8. The number 8 is called the minuend. And from number 8, we take away 5. The number 5 is called the subtrahend or the number that is taken away. Okay, and now we get the answer. For subtraction, the answer is called the difference. And in this example, the difference is the number 3. And then, as you can see, there is a dash-like sign that is called minus. That is the sign for subtraction and we call it minus. Alright, we now know what is subtraction. But for us to understand it more, let's take more examples. Are you ready? Of course I am ready too. So, we will begin with the pictures. So what do you see? Yes, there are flowers. So first, what we need to do is we will count all the flowers. So can you count with me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 flowers. And 7 is our minuend. Okay? And then we will count all the flowers that were crossed out. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. There are 3 flowers that were crossed out. Or there are 3 flowers that is being taken away. And the number 3 is our subtrahend. Okay. Now, Let's go to the answer or the difference. What is the difference? For us to know what is the difference, we will count all the objects or all the flowers that were not crossed out or that were not taken away. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 flowers that were not crossed out. And 4 is the answer. So we have 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. Okay, are we good? Thank you so much. Alright, let's have another example. So here we have 4 minus 2 is equals, and we don't know the answer. So the question is, teacher, what if there are no pictures or there are no objects at all? So what will we do? That's very simple. What we will do is we will draw an object or we will draw the picture. Alright? So in here, in our example, 4 minus 2 equals, we don't know the answer because 4 is the bigger number or 4 is the minuend. So I will draw 4 stars. Okay? So here we have 4 stars. And then, because 2 is our subtrahend or the number that is taken away, then we will cross out 2 stars. Okay? Let's cross out. We have 1, 2. So we've crossed out already the stars. And then, just like the first example, to know the difference or to know the answer, we will count all the remaining stars, all the remaining objects that were not crossed out or taken away. So in this example, we have 2 stars left. These 2 stars were not crossed out. So our answer is 2. The difference is 2. So again, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Is it hard to do subtraction? Well, you know what? There's another way to do subtraction. Do you want to know what it is? Of course, I will teach you. In doing subtraction, we can also use our fingers. Are you ready? Yes, we can use our fingers. So let's try. So here we have 10 minus 5 is equals, and we don't know the answer. So what we're going to do is first show the minuend with our fingers. What is our minuend? Yes, 10. So let's show our 10 fingers, just like in the picture, right? Second, we will fold the number of fingers according to our subtrahend. What is our subtrahend? Yes, 5. So we will fold 5 fingers. Okay. Just like in the picture, we fold 5 fingers. And then, to get the difference, to get the answer, we will count all the fingers that were not folded. How many fingers that were not folded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fingers that were not folded. So, the difference is 5, meaning 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. Do you understand? Very good. Thank you so much. Alright, let's see if you really learned something today. Find what is asked. For our first example, we have 9 minus 5 is equals to, we don't know the answer. So using our picture, we will count all the objects that were crossed out or not. Yes, very good. We will count all the objects or all the ducks that were not crossed out to see what is our difference. Let's count all the ducks that were not crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4, meaning 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. Very good. So how about this example? We don't know what is our subtrahend. According to our lesson, if there are pictures and we don't know our subtrahend or the difference or the minuend, what we're going to do is, for subtrahend, we will count all the objects or all the pencils that were crossed out, and that is our subtrahend. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have our subtrahend. What is our subtrahend? Yes, 8. Let's have 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. How about this last example? I want you to use your hands as we answer this question. Okay? For 8 minus 7 is equals to, we don't know the answer. First, raise your fingers according to our minuend. What is our minuend? 8. So let's raise our 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. And now, for our minuend, we will fold the fingers according to our minuend. What is our minuend? We have 7. So let's fold 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what is our difference? The difference is the remaining fingers that were not folded. And how many it is? Yes, 1. Meaning 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. Very good! You are all amazing. So now, do you understand how to subtract and what is subtraction? Yes, thank you so much, and I hope you learned something today. Alright, I think that's it for today. So I hope you learned something. But before we end, let's sing the song that I have taught you. Do you still remember the song? Okay, let's sing it together. Subtraction is my real name, but you can call me minus. I look like dash, just like this, because I take numbers away. If you have 5 apples and I take away 2, you're left with 3 sweet apples. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now you know the things that I do. Subtraction is my real name, but you can call me minus. I look like dash, just like